Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get a command block in Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So just log into your Minecraft. On your Minecraft app, you have to have that app. Go over to your single player and let's create a new world. So for this to work, you need to have the cheats on because this will not happen if you have it on off. So for the difficulty, you can select whatever you want. Also for the game mode, and let's name it whatever you want. So you can do that, and let's go ahead and create this world and wait for it to load. Okay, so once you're here on your world, the only way to get a command block is by typing NT because you can't do it when you want to type it on your inventory. So go ahead and type T and / give into have it on small caps and type in your username and type in command underscore block. You can do that, or you can simply select that command right here. Okay, so there, and just press enter. Okay, so once you hit enter, as you can see, we now have the command block right here. As you can see, we can go ahead and throw it and pick it up, and you can do whatever you want with this command block. So we can go ahead and place it here, and you can also insert a command here. So this will be up to you. And there, as you can see, you can freely use this command block whatever you like. There, as you can see, we can say hi and done. Okay, so as you can see, that is how you can get the command block in Minecraft. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.